Alright, what's up YouTube? We back again today. So I got my car back from the paint shop. As you guys know, well actually I didn't tell you guys. I didn't tell you what color I was going with. But before I get into that, let me just let you know. I don't know, St. Louis just has the weirdest weather ever, man. It was just like 90 degrees last week. Now it's like 60 and it's like cold. I don't know. But I'm here in my like jungle of a backyard. I'm gonna put my car back together. But before I do that, I want to show you guys and then show you how the paint looks. So originally I wanted to go like a dark metallic red, kind of like a I don't know the exact name of the color, but it was kind of like a sparkle, like a small sparkle, but like a darker red, you know what I'm saying, like a lipstick red. Like I don't know how to explain it, but if you guys do follow our channel and subscribe, then you guys will know that I have a Lexus IS 300 and that is painted red also. So I wanted this red to be different than that red, as you know what I'm saying. Why would I want two cars the same color? Some people do that, but it just wasn't my flavor. I wanted a different red, you know what I'm saying, that way you could tell the difference between each car, you know. But here it is right here. I mean, this color is like identical to my Lexus color. But if you can see, I don't know if it's gonna focus good enough. Come on. You can see the little sparkles in it. So it is kind of like metallic, but at the same time, it's not as dark as I wanted. I wanted it to be like 3 or 4 shades darker than this. You get what I'm saying? Because this is like a bright yellow. I mean, like a bright red. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong. Like the paint quality of the paint job was good. It's just it wasn't the color I was looking for. You get what I'm saying? And like some of this is dirt and everything, as you can see, but some of this is actual sparkle, like metallic flake in there. So, and as you can see, I don't have the kit on right now, so that's my job this morning. I'm going to go ahead, take everything out, put the kit back on, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to install my new Valenti taillights that I've had in my house for like a few months that I've told you guys about. I'm going to put those in. And interior, give me 1 second. Interior. So I did opt to go with the door panels. I got all those painted. I need to throw the door cards in too, so I took those off. That way these doors can get painted. So the entire door jamb is painted. I don't know how I'm gonna close this. And then I opt to go with the black roof. This is not metallic black though. This is just like a regular black, flat black, well, gloss black. But like I said, everything looks pretty good. I just need to put everything back together, and then we can actually get a good look at the car. Need to put the wing back on. I have still holes that I need to drill for the bigger wing, so I still have some stuff I have to do. I don't know how long this is going to take me, but I'm probably going to throw, if you guys do follow the channel, which you should, so please subscribe, like, and comment. I do have a Rocket Bunny diffuser with my bumper, and it has that was painted red also, and I actually have a cut bumper also. I'm gonna throw the cut bumper on just to see how it looks, because I really don't want to. The Rocket Bunny diffuser, it's kind of like, it's fiberglass of course, but like the parts where you mount it to the bumper are pretty fragile and thin, so they can break pretty easy, and that's what happened. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the cut bumper on, see how I like it, throw the new taillights on, throw the rest of the kit on, and then I'll come back and show you guys everything, throw the door cards in and everything. But yep, this is the final product. This is the red I went with. Well, not the red I went with, this is the red that they painted it, but I want it to be a darker red. But this is it right here. I'll show you what it looks like after I get done putting everything back on. I'll catch you in a little bit. Alright guys, quick little update. I just put the Valentis in. Oh my god, they changed the look of your rear end so much. So I have in the past I wanted the all red lens, but those were like $3 something online. So I went ahead and somebody was selling these locally for 180 or something like that. So I went ahead and picked these up because they're mostly red, just has a little chrome accent. And then I was like, well, if I get chrome wheels or, you know, silver wheels, it'll match that too. So I was like, I'll go ahead and go with these. But I did put the cut bumper on. I just tucked my wires through my rear crash bar. I was gonna zip tie them somewhere, but I don't want them to be dangling and stuff, so I just stuck them in there. They shouldn't move at all. And now I'm gonna put the rear fenders on, put the wing on, and the back end should be done pretty much. But these tail lights though, ooh, looking good. So this is a little bit cleaner than this right now, so this is gonna look different colors. But when I give it a wipe down and a wash, it should be the same color, hopefully. If it isn't, I'm gonna be mad. But yeah, this is the tail lights. I'll catch you back in a second. I'll put some more pieces on. Alright guys, so I just got done putting the FRS all back together. I'm not gonna show you it yet, but I will show you the exhaust because we are about to get a cold start and it's been sitting for a while. So here you go. Go ahead, Austin. Alright guys, so unfortunately we had to make a few stops and we wanted to test drive the car around to make sure nothing was like scraping or anything like that, and it got dark on us. So I will show you the car a different day when it's sunlight out. I'm not gonna lie, the car looks pretty good in my opinion. I still have some things I need to tighten up, make closer, a few gaps I need to shut up, like I guess zip tie together or something, I don't know.
But guess who's back? Hey!
You haven't seen him in so long from like the first video.
Hey, you can't see me.
You got Austin in the back, got no back seats, but he's still back there.
Right. Roll down the window.
So yeah, we're gonna let John, no, keep him up, there's too many bugs out, we're gonna cut the air on. But we're gonna let Johnny drive the FRS tonight, see how he does. But he's driven manual before, not too much though, so hopefully he'll do a good job. But I'll, this will be the end of this video. Okay. Yeah, so unfortunately this is a short video probably because I only showed you parts of what I was doing earlier, but we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, and you'll see the car in the next video.
Peace.